Yes.
Okay, Ms. Johnson, I'd like to bring your attention to February 13th, 2016, around 3:42 p.m. in the area of Finkel and Winthrop in the city of Detroit. We're operating a 2009 Chevy Burgundy vehicle.
Yes.
You stopped by Detroit Police Department officer.
Yes.
At that time, did you fail to display a valid operator's license?
Yes.
Okay,
That's right, Your Honor.
okay, I will amend the charge to failure to display, and I'm going to waive your fines and costs. As I said to the last young lady, it'll save you about $290, okay?
Thank you.
Your Honor, if my client had any outstanding bonds, we ask that the bonds be returned.
Okay, this is what we'll do, Attorney Fulmar. For anybody on the call, if you had a bond, what I'm going to do is apply your bond to your reinstatement fees. If you have reinstatement fees, they need to be paid to the Secretary of State, and the remaining balance will be sent to you in the mail. So if you have any bond posted, I'm going to put it towards your reinstatement fees to get your license back in order, okay? So just in case you all have any questions about that, that's what I'm going to do with your bond. And then I'm waiving your costs today, so that you don't have to pay anything to the court because of the pandemic. So I'm trying to help everybody out today.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Any questions, Ms.
I
Johnson?
have one question.
Sure.
I have a court for both names at the same time with two different judges.
What is the other judge name?
Hinton Johnson, or
Hennet Johnson?
yes.
It's for, what's the case number on that one?
124-185-291, and it's two tickets. It's 162-571-511. I'm sorry.
Ms. Fulmer, I'm going to put you into a breakout room while we figure that out, okay?
One of them is closed.
Let's do Ms. Franklin. Ms.
Okay,
Franklin,
thank you.
Okay, Ms. Franklin, I'm going to put you into a breakout room with your attorney to speak about your case, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So go ahead and accept the invitation.
Did she have a different name, Greg? King, wasn't
Did
it?
you have a, Ms. Johnson, did you have a maiden name or did you change your name recently?
My maiden name is King.
Okay.
So, I don't see anything open.
What about that? You Toy Marie King. That's not even what she said. 571511.
That's not her.
What year were you born, Ms. Johnson?
83.
Yeah. Those aren't your cases.
162 is what she's got here.
See these two for,
Gave two tickets. So one of them signed that.
We did, I think we did.
well, these are for
The
Judge
162, we just did that.
Henry Johnson. Both of them are closed. The ones for Judge Henry Johnson, both received. They were for
Yeah.
today, and they're closed, but they were closed administratively, on administrative.
Okay, so Ms. Johnson, you're all set. We just checked. Those cases that you did have in Hennet Johnson, they've been administratively closed. And then the other, you have some other people in there with close names like yours, is someone with a very close name. Those aren't your cases. So everything we just looked up, you're fine. You're done.
So my name is Clear and Latea Monique King as well.
Yes,
Okay.
you're all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, let me get Ms. Franklin out. You ready to move on, Ms. Franklin?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, calling case 105-4012, the people versus Lakeisha Franklin, one kind of no insurance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Allison Fulmer, appearing on behalf of Ms. Franklin. Please state your name for the record, Ms. Franklin.
Lakeisha Franklin.
Your Honor, my client would like to avail herself of a reduction to improper plate.
Is that correct, Ms. Franklin?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you raise your right hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Ms. Fomar today about your case in private?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'd like to bring your attention to January 6, 2020, around 4:03 p.m. in the area of Van Dyke and Dubay in the city of Detroit, where you're operating a 2005 Chevy gray vehicle without insurance.
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, I will amend the charge to improper plates. I'm going to waive your fines, Ms. Franklin. And
Thank you.
you're welcome. Any bond you posted, I will apply it to your reinstatement fees if you have any. If not, the bond will be returned to you in the mail, okay?
Thank you so much.
Welcome. You have any questions?
No, ma'am.
You're all set. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a blessed one.
Thank you. Okay, let's go to Mr. John Jones. Mr. Jones, I'm going to put you into a breakout room to speak to Ms. Fomar about your case, okay?
Okay.
And let's see here. The offer is for failure to display with the remaining count to be dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Carl, Foxhall.
Sure, Judge, I'm just trying to call for this right. Carl.
You know, everybody been called in for 8:30.
Really?
You haven't even got your doctor.
Excuse me.
Okay. Miss Danita,
Yes.
can you state your full name, please?
I'm gonna give you a courtesy.
What's your name?
Danita Fang.
Danita Fang. Okay. Grab your check.
Hello.
Danita Fang, that's fine.
I'm gonna get my.
All right, we ready on Mr. Jones?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay. Calling case 485-488 versus John Jones III. No operator's license on person and no insurance. Appearance?
Allison Fulmer appearing on behalf of Mr. Jones. Please state your name for the record, sir.
John Jones.
Your Honor, my client wishes to avail himself of the offer to plead to failure to display.
Okay, can you raise your right hand, Mr. Jones? Swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you have an opportunity to speak in private about your case to Ms. Fomar?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
You can put your hand down too.
Okay.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'd like to bring attention to October 2nd, 2019, around 6:30 p.m. The area of Southfield Freeway in Bern in the city of Detroit. We're operating a 2016 Dodge vehicle without insurance. Or should I say
Yes, Your
without
Honor.
without a valid license.
Yes, Your Honor.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm satisfied. I will dismiss the no insurance count. And I will amend the charge to failure to display. For sentencing purposes, I'm going to waive your fines and costs as well, Mr. Jones. So you do not
Thank
have to to the court. You are welcome. And if you posted a bond, I will have that returned to you after I apply it to any reinstatement fees, okay?
Okay.
You have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, you're all set. Have a good day.
Well,
Thank you very
Have a good day as well.
Thank you. Okay, let's do Shannon Jackson.
Okay.
Jackson, go ahead and unmute your phone.
Hello,
I'm going to put you
can you
into a
hear
break.
me?
Yes, I can hear you. Go ahead and accept the invitation to go into a breakout room so you can talk to Ms. Fulmer in private, okay? And the offer I have here is for failure to display and failure to use the seatbelt. The rest to be dismissed.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Okay, so the person with the Galaxy S10e,
Yes,
what is your name?
my name is Michael Jones. I had some difficulty signing into the app. I just made me an account so that way my name would show up, and I signed into the Michael
Mr. Jones,
Jones. Yes,
got it. You're fine. You checked in.
sorry.
I can hear you and I can see you, so that's all that matters. You're
Okay.
good.
I didn't hear the name being called off. Well, I didn't hear my name be called off, so I was a
You
little
just checked
concerned.
in. Did
Yeah,
you just check?
yeah. I mean, I was here for like 35 minutes.
Okay, well, we're getting everybody, I see everyone on the call. I'm gonna address everyone on the call. No one's gonna get hung up or dismissed.
Okay, well, I greatly apologize for
No,
interrupting.
you're fine. I'm just checking people in when, Ms. Fomar is talking to people in the breakout room, so I don't waste any time.
Oh, okay.
That's all. I have your file.
All right. I'm not used to this. I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. So I'm gonna put you back on mute,
Yep.
and we'll get to you as soon as we can, okay? Ms. Jackson? Okay, there you are, Ms. Jackson. Calling case is P-108-2406, the people versus Shannon Jackson. Count 1, failure to display a valid operator's license, not a person. Count 2, driving an unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance. P-108-2402. Count 1, 1 to 5 miles per hour over the posted speed limit. Count 2, failure to use a seatbelt. And count 3, failure to signal. Appearance?
Good morning, Your Honor. Allison Fulmer appearing on behalf of Shannon Jackson. Please state your name for the record, ma'am.
Shannon Jackson.
Your Honor, this is an identity issue. We asked for a trial date.
Is this going to be a bench trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Jackson, I just have to ask you a couple questions, okay?
Okay.
You understand you have a right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything for you to waive that right?
No.
Okay, I will continue your not guilty plea and set your trial date for October
21st, right?
October 21st at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome, and you'll have an attorney present on that day to speak to you about your case, okay?
Okay.
All right, you have a
Thank
good
you.
day.
You
You
as well.
too. Thank you.
You are welcome. Let's do Juanita Johnson.
I'm here.
Good morning, Ms. Johnson.
Good morning.
Attorney Fomar, the offer is to plea as charged with a 6-month day sentence.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Johnson, I'm going to put you into a breakout room to speak to your attorney in private about your case, okay?
Okay.
Mr. Antonio Jackson,
Yes.
good morning.
Good morning.
I have you checked in. I'm going to put you on mute until it's time for you to speak to an attorney, okay?
Okay. Hello.
Mr. Fields, I need you to stay on mute until your name is called, okay?
Okay, I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. I'm getting Ms. Johnson out of the breakout room.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Who are you here on?
I'm here on Jashawn Jones.
Okay, so the offer is for impeding traffic.
Is the officer here?
Yes, he checked in.
Okay, we'll take it.
Okay, you're gonna call. Can you call back in at 9:30?
Sure.
Okay, I got to clear everyone out here. So Ms. Fomar has
All
a hearing. Okay.
All right, I'll call back.
Okay, thanks. Jashawn Jones, he's the last one on 8:30. Okay, Juanita Johnson.
Yes.
Okay, calling case U 507-22419, people versus Juanita Johnson. 1 count of possession of hypodermic syringe. Appearance?
Good morning, Your Honor. Allison from my appearing on behalf of Ms. Johnson. Please state your name for the record, ma'am.
Juanita Johnson.
Your Honor, my client wishes a bench trial date. This is an identity issue. She's not guilty.
Okay, Ms. Johnson,
Yes.
do you understand you have a right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything for you to waive that right today?
No.
Okay, I will continue your not guilty plea and set your trial date for October 21st at 8:30 a.m. It'll be via Zoom, the same way you just called in this morning, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
What's that date again?
I'm sorry, what'd you say?
What's the date again?
October 21st.
21st?
Yep.
Okay. At 8:30?
8:30 a.m. Yep.
Okay, thank you, Judge Sabree.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, let's see here. Trevor Jackson. Okay, the offer here is for him to plead responsible to 1 count of blockading with the 2 remaining counts to be dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Jackson, I'm going to put you briefly into a breakout room to speak to Ms. Fomar in private about your case, okay?
Okay.
You think that helps?
if it's just a coincidence.
If it's a rainy day,
Right.
everybody's quiet.
Strange.
We have to,
See, it keeps moving on. Everybody at 8:30 check.
Okay, we ready, Mr. Jackson?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is he gonna take the impeding offering?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, there we go. Okay, this is People versus Trevor Anthony Jackson, case number P10475574, count 1, driving while license suspended, count 2, blockading traffic, count 3, insufficient or defective lights. Appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Allison Fulmer appearing on behalf of Trevor Jackson. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor. Trevor Anthony Jackson.
Your Honor, my
morning.
client wishes to avail himself of the offer of pleading to blockading.
Okay, is that correct, Mr. Jackson?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Is there a stipulation to the face of the ticket for the responsible plea?
We stipulate.
Okay. So, Mr. Jackson, I just accepted a responsible plea for blockading traffic. That's a 0-point offense. I will dismiss the 2 remaining counts before the court. Is there a stipulation of probable cause for those?
We stipulate.
Okay, and Mr. Jackson, I'm waiving fines and costs today, so you don't have to pay anything for your 1 count you pled responsible to, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. And if you posted a bond, I will apply it to any reinstatement fees and have the balance returned to you in the mail, okay?
Okay.
You have any questions?
No, I do not, Your Honor.
All right, you have a good day.
You
Thank
have
you,
a
Your Honor.
better one.
Thank you. Danita Fain,
Okay.
Yes. Good morning.
good morning. The offer is for 3-month delay sentence on the In the Park After Dark with the remaining count to be dismissed.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Fain, I'm gonna put you into a breakout room to speak to Ms. Fulmer in private about your case, okay?
Okay.
I think it's our thing.
It is. So, you know what we'll do? This is a ring.
Okay.
Wow.
Ready, Your Honor.
Okay. Calling cases U582019, the people versus Danita Fain. One count of remaining in the park after closing, and P945297, driving while license suspended. Appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Allison Fulmer appearing on behalf of Ms. Fain. Ms. Fain, state your name for the record, please.
Danita Fang.
Your Honor, my client wishes to avail herself of the offer.
Okay, Ms. Fain, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Ms. Fulmer today about your case?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand, Ms. Fain, that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to April 19th, 2019, around 11:40 p.m. in Harris Park in the city of Detroit. Were you in that park after closing, after the park was closed?
Yes.
Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, I will adopt the 3-month delay sentence recommendation and dismiss the remaining count before the court. Is there stipulation of probable cause?
We stipulate.
Okay, Ms. Fain, I'm waiving 5 the cost today, so you don't have to pay anything to the court. The way this works is you just plead guilty. You don't pick up any other cases. In 3 months, this will be dismissed from your record as if it didn't happen, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any questions?
No. What
Sure.
as far as I'm sorry. As far as my warrants go, are they clear, or I still have to take care of those?
No, the warrants have been lifted because you addressed the matter.
Okay. Okay.
So you're all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You as well.
Thank you. Okay, Attorney Fomar, Mr. Fields, let's take care of him. It's going to have to be, we're going to have to set this for a pre-trial. I don't have an offer on any of his counts, and we don't have a prosecutor for a state or a city today.
Very well.
Okay. Do you want to speak to him about that over the record?
Yeah.
I mean,
Yes, very briefly, Your Honor.
okay. Mr. Fields, I'm going to put you into a breakout room to talk to Ms. Fomar in private, okay?
Okay.
Mr. Foxhall, while we're waiting, you've been patiently waiting on the phone. Go ahead and unmute your phone.
Hello, Your Honor.
So with your case, you're at the pretrial stage, and we don't have an offer for you today. The prosecutor didn't write up an offer. I don't know why, but she's, we have layoff days because of the pandemic, so we don't have prosecutors today. So I will give you the option. I will schedule another pretrial date 2 weeks out, or if you want to, you can call back in 1:30. Actually, there's no 1:30 today. Or you can wait on the call for us to find another prosecutor to get you an offer if you want to resolve it today. Or you can call back in. I'll let you call back in next week for another pretrial at 8:30. It's up to you, okay?
That's fine, Your Honor.
So you want to think about it for a moment?
I'll take the 2 weeks and call back.
Okay, because it may be a minute trying to find a prosecutor today. Mondays and Fridays, they're half as staff. So once Ms. Fulmer gets back on the call, I will let her know and we'll call your case so you won't just be sitting here for no reason, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
So,
Oops, sorry. Go ahead and unmute your phone. I didn't hear you.
you say stay on the line?
Yes, because I still have to call the matter and put it on the record.
Okay, okay.
Do you want to do next week or do you want to do 2 weeks out? I'll give you the option.
We can go 2 weeks out, please.
Okay. All right. So, Attorney Fomar, before we do Mr. Fields, I just talked to Mr. Foxhall. We're gonna adjourn his matter because there's no offer on his case for his OWI. We don't have a prosecutor to, and I told him that I would adjourn it out 2 weeks for him.
Very well. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Calling case D 8067371, the people versus Carl Edward Foxhall Jr., 1 count of operating while intoxicated, first offense. Appearance?
Good morning, Your Honor. Allison Fulmer appearing on behalf of Mr. Foxhall. Please state your name for the record, Mr. Foxhall.
Carl Everett Foxhall Jr.
Thank you. Your Honor, my client wishes a next court date for a pretrial.
Okay. Mr. Foxhall, does September 10th work for you?
Yes, it does.
Okay, so by that time, there'll be an offer in the file, and you'll have an attorney present to speak to you about that offer, and you can decide what you want to do on that day. And there'll still be a pretrial, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Thank you for your patience. You have a good day.
Thank you, Your
You
Honor.
too.
Thanks. Okay, now let's do Mr. Fields. Okay. Calling cases X568296, people versus is it Jarmine?
Yes.
Jermaine Fields, no operator's license, count 2, disregarding the stop sign. X568296, the duplicate. 351028, no operator's license on person, count 2, open and tax in a motor vehicle. U44392708, remaining in the park after closing. 247762, no operator's license on person. 144-54738, count 1, driver's license not valid, count 2, no insurance. And X15069291, no operator's license on person, count 2, no proof of insurance. And count 3, registration plate expired over 3 days.
Good morning, Your Honor. Allison Fulmer appearing on behalf of Mr. Fields. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Jermaine Fields.
Your Honor, my client wishes to have all warrants set aside. I know the court will do that and set a pretrial date in this matter. Your Honor, if the court has an expedited pretrial date, he has a need to be able to get his license as soon as possible.
Okay, I can do that. Mr. Fields, we'll take care of yours next week, okay?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
So let's do September 3rd for you, okay?
Yes, ma'am. That'd be great. Thank you.
We'll have an offer. The prosecutor will be able to look at the file and make you an offer by the time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So I will see you next Thursday. You have any questions?
No, thanks.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You said September the 3rd?
Yes, next Thursday.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
All right, you too.
Thanks. Okay, for Freeman Johnson, they're all 3 state counts, and we don't have an offer at this time for Mr. Johnson.
Okay, Your Honor, I just need 1 minute, 30 seconds to go over those matters with him.
Okay. Mr. Johnson, I'm going to put you into a breakout room to talk to Ms. Colmar about your case, okay?
Okay.
ready on Johnson?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, calling case X1112576, the people versus Freeman Johnson. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Count 2, driving unregistered vehicle. Count 3, careless driving. Appearance.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Allison Fulmer appearing on behalf of Mr. Johnson. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Freeman Johnson.
Your Honor, my client wishes a pretrial date. If the court has an expedited date, we would greatly appreciate that.
We'll do September 3rd as well.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Mr. Johnson, your pretrial date will be September 3rd at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Okay, it'll be the same way as the Zoom call?
Exact same way.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And for Mr. Michael Jones, it's violating the governor's executive order count. I would like to set that for a trial date.
Okay, I just,
Docket. Do you understand what I'm saying?
absolutely. I just need just a couple seconds, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Jones.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to put both of your devices into a breakout room. Hopefully that works.
Oh, okay. My apology. Yeah,
No,
I was supposed to sign out of the other one.
I'll sign out the other one for you. I got it. Okay, there we go. So go ahead and accept the invitation.
Ready on Michael Jones, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Jones, I need you to pay attention, sit down, and have a seat somewhere, Mr. Jones.
Okay, I was going to a quiet area.
Okay. Calling case P1082217, the people versus Michael Lamar Jones, one count of violating the governor's executive order. Appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Allison Fulmer appearing on behalf of Mr. Jones. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Michael Jones.
Your Honor, respectfully, we'd ask for a bench trial date.
Okay, Mr. Jones, do you understand you have a right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything for you to waive that right today?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I will enter or continue your not guilty plea and set your trial date for October 21st at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Yes, ma'am.
There will be an attorney present to discuss your case with you. If the officer does not appear, I will dismiss your matter, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you have any questions?
You said October the 21st at 8:30 a.m.?
That's correct, via Zoom.
No other questions, Your Honor.
All right, you have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, Ms. Fomar, we got 2 minutes. What do you want to do?
What do we have with them, Judge?
It's a failure.
Let's go ahead and crank it out. In the meantime, I can, if the court can just give me a second so I can just dial in and be in the waiting mode with my other matter.
Absolutely.
Okay, but I'm ready to proceed. So we have 2 Antonio Jacksons.
He just has 2 logins. I'm not sure which one is the working one.
Oh, okay. So it's just one person, but same name.
Yes. Mr. Jackson, can you say something?
Yes.
Okay, I can log off the other one.
Okay.
All right, I'll put you into a breakout room. Mr. Jackson will speak to Ms. Fulmar, and she's going to come in as soon as she gets done with the call, okay?
Okay.
I'm ready now, Judge. I want to just go ahead and do it now. Okay, thank you.
Huh? Okay, Attorney Fox, I can handle this while she's in the break. Well, actually, she has to stop at 9:30, so let me take care of this failure to display, and then you'll be next, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Deshaun Jones.
That's right. Thank you so much. I'm all set.
Is that failure to display for him, Your Honor?
Yes.
Okay, he's ready.
All right. In my breakout room right now. Calling case P 971-287, the people versus Antonio Martel Jackson. Count 1, driving while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance. Count 3, driving an unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Allison from my opinion on behalf of Mr. Jackson. Please state your name for the record, sir.
My name is Antonio Leonte Jackson. She said Martell.
Yeah, this is for this client is Mr. Martell. This is for you're Martell, right, sir?
No.
Oh, okay, Leonte?
Yes.
Yeah, I still read the right, yes. I read the right ones. Oh, the judge said Martell. This is
Yes.
Leonte, Antonio Leonte Jackson, Your Honor.
Okay. We're swapping out the files.
Can they hear me?
Ms. Fomar?
Yes,
I can call House Counsel to have someone finish these up for you, okay?
it's okay, Judge. It's only 2. We're ready on Antonio Leonte Jackson.
We just don't have a file here.
Oh.
It's Antonio Martel Jackson also.
Yes, we're aware. We're aware of that, sir. Okay, just give me 1 second, please, Your Honor.
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
But Judge, I only saw one for you. That's all I found.
Leonte?
Leonte? I'm sorry. It's only one. Oh, sorry. I got a little. It's only one here.
Okay, Attorney Potts, I can take care of yours. It's the people versus Deshaun Jones, calling case SP 1088677, count 1, speeding 2125 over speed limit, count 2, no registration. Appearance.
For the record, Your Honor, good morning. Coleman Potts, P78606, Mr. Jones. Your Honor, as for a formal hearing, I do have authority to act on my client's behalf as the court waives presence.
Say that last part again for the record, I couldn't hear you.
I was just asking that the court waive his presence. I do have authority to act on his behalf.
Okay, I will do so. The offer from Officer Bennett, who did check in, is for impeding traffic with the remaining count to be dismissed. Would your client like to take that offer?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, is there a stipulation to the face of the ticket for the responsible plea?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Okay, I will accept the responsible plea, amend the charge, impeding, and dismiss the remaining count. Is there a stipulation of probable cause?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Okay, I'll waive his fines and costs, so he's all set.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You too. Mr. Antonio Martel Jackson, I'm gonna put you on mute, okay? Just stay on mute until your case is called, okay?
Yes.
Judge. I'm sorry.
Okay, is there anything else that we can do now, Your Honor, on anyone else?
Yeah, I have Mr. Leonte's file. It'll still be failure to display.
Okay, we're ready to proceed, Your Honor.
Okay. The people versus Antonio Leonte Jackson. Calling cases SP 981-8811. Driving while license not valid or improper license, 173-309-611. Driver's license never acquired. And 193-855-971. No operator's license on person. Appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Allison Fulmer appearing on behalf of Antonio Leonte Jackson. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Antonio Leonte Jackson.
Your Honor, my client wishes to avail himself of the offer to failure to display.
Is that correct, Mr. Jackson?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Ms. Fulmer, your attorney, today about your case?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue to plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to March 28th, 2019, around 12:55 a.m. in the area of Puritan and Snowden in the city of Detroit. Were you operating a 2010 Ford vehicle?
Yes.
Were you stopped by Detroit Police Department officer?
Yes.
Did you fail to display a valid operator's license?
Yes.
That's right, Your Honor. That's right,
Okay.
Your Honor.
Mr. Jackson, as I've been doing the rest of this morning, I'm going to waive the fines and
Please
costs.
stay on mute. Sorry.
You don't have to pay anything this morning, okay?
Okay.
And if you posted a bond, I'm going to apply your bond to your reinstatement fees as well as return the balance of a bond. Did you post a bond?
No.
Okay, so that doesn't apply. So you're all
Okay.
set, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Okay, and to the other Antonio Jackson, the offer is for failure to display.
I figured as much. I just need 1 minute, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
Mr. Jackson, go ahead and unmute your phone. There we go. And accept the invitation to go into a breakout. Wait a minute, hold on. Let me move you over. There we go. Go ahead and accept the invitation to go into the breakout room. Stuck there for a minute.
I was like, please don't let it crash.
Please
Let
not
the last
say that
person.
right now. No.
Let the last person, please.
I feel like today was rushed. Mr. Jackson, go ahead. I put you in the wrong breakout room. Go ahead into breakout room 1.
I'm not for sure how to do that.
So look at the bottom of your phone.
Okay.
You see the toolbar down there, and it should have some little icon about a breakout room.
Okay.
That you
Okay. Yeah.
Your Honor, Mr. Jackson never came to the breakout room. Was I in the wrong breakout room?
Nope, he just finally went in.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah. We can move it.
Yeah. Anything that could go wrong.
Printer.
I'll never again. I can't. No, I'll get what she called. Yeah, I forgot about
Huh?
that. Anything bad, right?
No.
How's your new baby?
Oh, the baby. Look, we're just way too young.
The baby's big.
I was gonna ask.
How many pounds?
9 pounds.
Oh,
Wow.
it's a big boy.
9 pounds.
Wow.
Okay.
I know, we're all in it together, right? So just let me.
Good morning, Your Honor. Allison Coleman, appearing on behalf of Ms. I'm sorry, did the court call the case?
No, I'm still waiting for him to come out the breakout room.
Oh.
I see him so he can come out. There we go. Okay, calling case P 971-287, the people versus Antonio Martel Jackson. Count 1, driver while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance. Count 3, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearance?
Good morning, Your Honor. Allison Coleman, appearing on behalf of Mr. Jackson. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Antonio Martel Jackson.
Your Honor, my client wishes to avail himself of the offer.
Okay. Is that correct, Mr. Jackson?
Yes.
Okay, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Ms. Beaumont today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand, Mr. Jackson, that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
I'd like to bring your attention to February 19th, 2019, around 1:52 p.m. in the area of Nottingham and Frankfurt in the city of Detroit. We're operating a 2006 Hyundai black vehicle.
Yes.
And were you stopped by a Detroit Police Department officer?
Yes.
Did you fail to display a valid operator's license?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Fulmar?
Excuse me?
Not that I can see, Your Honor.
Just a thumbs up will work.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. What was the last thing on Mr. Jackson?
Just satisfied. That's all I need to know.
Satisfied, Your Honor. Satisfied.
Okay, I'll handle the rest. Okay, Mr. Jackson, I'm going to dismiss the 2 remaining counts before the court per the recommendation. And I'm waiving your fines and costs today, so that's taking about $290. My question to you is, did you post a bond?
No.
Okay, all right, so you are all set. You don't have to pay anything to the court. You may have to pay some reinstatement fees to the Secretary of State. You can do that on 36th District Court's website, okay?
Okay, I have one question. So I don't have any warrants or any tickets no more?
Well, I don't know. I know you don't have any warrants. We've set aside any warrants. You may have some civil infractions. I'm not sure. You can check our website.
Oh, okay, okay. Yes, yes.
As far as criminal matters, as far as traffic, misdemeanors, you don't have any more before the court.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Anything else you can take care of on your own. You don't have to see a judge for it, okay?
Okay, thanks.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Okay, y'all have a blessed one.
Thanks.
You as well.
Okay, Ms. Fulmer.
Thank you so much, Judge. I appreciate you. That was that. Hey, we whipped those out.
Yeah, come back next week.
People. That was a lot, but we did it. Thank you so much. I appreciate you accommodating me.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You as well. Have a good weekend to you and your staff. Thank you much.